Hey campers! Welcome back to Honest Review for You, where we dive deep into the best products on Amazon. If you love camping, hiking, or outdoor adventures, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the top 10 camping tools and accessories you must have for your next trip. These are game changers that'll elevate your outdoor experience to the next level. So let's get started. First up, we have the Headlamp Camping Hammock. This isn't just any hammock. This one's designed for comfort and durability. It's made from premium 210 Tesla parachute nylon, and get this, it's lab tested to be 65% stronger than other hammocks. That means it can hold up to 661 pounds. You can kick back knowing this hammock can handle just about anything. And don't worry about tricky setups. Headlamp gives you their easy loop system, so you'll be relaxing in under 60 seconds, no knots or confusing instructions. It even folds down to the size of an eggplant. Seriously, whether you're a solo camper or lounging with a friend, this hammock has got you covered. Next, let's talk about the Outdoor Kitchen Gear Cookware Kit. If you love outdoor cooking, this mini kitchen set is a must-have. It includes all the essentials: spatula, serving spoons, knives, tongs, everything you need to whip up a gourmet meal in the great outdoors. Not only is it super practical, but it's built to last with stainless steel utensils that can handle the wear and tear of camping. Plus, it all comes in a handy organizer bag to keep everything neat. Perfect for picnics, BBQs, and camping. Trust me, once you've tried this kit, you'll never want to camp without it. Every camper needs to be prepared, and the 7-in-1 Outdoor Survival Kit makes sure you are. Inside this small but powerful kit, you've got a fire starter, compass, emergency whistle, wire saw, multi-purpose pliers, and more. The whole thing weighs only 8.1 ounces and is super compact, making it easy to carry in your backpack or even glove compartment. From starting a fire in wet weather to cutting wood with the wire saw, this kit has it all. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, you'll want this by your side on every adventure. If you're looking for a tool that can do it all, the Multitool camping accessory is your new best friend. This little gadget packs 13 tools into one, from a hammer to wire cutters, screwdrivers, and even a saw blade. Plus, it has 2 safety locks to keep everything secure while you work. This multi-tool is perfect for outdoor activities like camping and hiking, but it's also super handy around the house for DIY repairs. It's a fantastic gift for anyone who loves outdoor adventures or just loves gadgets. Now, let's talk fire. The Zundin Firestarter Pro is a reliable way to get a fire going, rain or shine. It's designed to produce sparks at a blazing 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, so whether it's wet, windy, or freezing, you're covered. The handcrafted wooden handle gives it a rugged, natural feel, and it even comes with a multi-tool for scraping tinder, measuring, or popping open a bottle after a long hike. Plus, the paracord lanyard ensures you won't lose it. If you need fire, you need this fire starter. Next up is the Survival Gear and Equipment Kit. This all-in-one set is lightweight, portable, and packed with everything you need to survive in the wild. The kit includes 14 different tools, all organized in a waterproof and shockproof case. Whether you're prepping for a camping trip or want to keep a survival kit in your car, this is an awesome, compact solution. Plus, it makes a great gift for anyone who loves adventure or outdoor challenges. A good light source is essential when camping, and these camping lights are perfect for lighting up your tent or campsite. They come in 3 fun colors: green, teal, and hot pink, and have 3 lighting modes: high, low, and strobe. With carabiner clips, they're super easy to hang anywhere. Plus, they're battery-powered and lightweight, making them ideal for packing light. These little guys are also great for kids who love exploring or playing outside after dark. For hands-free lighting, check out the rechargeable headlamp. It's super bright, lighting up to 500 feet ahead, perfect for night hikes or setting up camp after dark. It's got 6 different lighting modes, from spotlight to floodlight, and even a red light option for night vision. Plus, it's USB rechargeable, so no more worrying about batteries. It's lightweight, comfortable, and water-resistant, so you can take it anywhere, in any weather. The waterproof lighter is another essential tool for campers. This flameless USB rechargeable lighter is waterproof, windproof, and designed for rough outdoor conditions. It's perfect for lighting campfires, even in heavy rain or wind. With its sturdy abs and zinc alloy construction, this lighter is built to last and comes with a paracord lanyard so you won't lose it. If you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly lighter, this is the one. Last, but certainly not least, the camping tent. This tent is made from durable Polyguard fabric built to last season after season. It's spacious enough for 3 queen-sized airbeds and has a 6'2" center height, giving you plenty of room to move around. With the patented WeatherTech system, you'll stay dry thanks to the welded floors and inverted seams. Setup is a breeze too, just 15 minutes and you're ready to go. This tent also features angled windows that keep out the rain and an e-port to run power into your tent. It's a must-have for camping trips with friends or family. And there you have it, the top 10 camping tools and accessories you need for your next adventure. Whether you're looking for comfort, convenience, or survival essentials, these products have you covered. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to Honest Review for you for more camping gear reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and happy camping!